Hi everyone, Cassie, Senior Health Coach with UPMC Health Plan. Today we're in my kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and easy breakfast that includes all of the different food groups from my plate, which includes a fruit, a vegetable, a whole grain, a protein, and dairy. So let's get started. The recipe we're going to do today is an egg omelet. It seems pretty simple and easy, and it is, but the key is to add certain things to this breakfast that makes it complete and balanced. With everything added, it's about 340 calories. So if you're looking to be calorie conscious due to, maybe a weight loss plan or weight maintenance, you have a good idea of how this fits into your intake overall. And so let's start and introduce the ingredients. So our first ingredient is the protein, which are egg whites. So the reason I'm using egg whites is because they don't have the yolk in them, hence the name egg whites. And the reason I use them is to cut back on fat a little bit. Another modification you might be able to do if you're used to using whole eggs with the egg yolk is maybe you use one egg yolk and the rest egg whites to cut back on some fat. So it's totally up to you. Still contains lots of good protein. So we're going to pour 3/4 of a cup of egg whites into the skillet. All right, so our next ingredient, cheddar cheese. Cheese gives us a source of calcium, but obviously it also serves as our source of dairy. So our 1/4 cup of cheese goes into the skillet. This is where we can get creative, vegetables. So the good thing about omelets is you can literally throw anything you want into the omelet. So oftentimes I have people ask me, well, how do I increase my fruit and vegetable intake? Or how do I eat vegetables with breakfast? So when you have omelets, you can be creative. So here I have some mushrooms, spinach, and I have some yellow peppers. So it's really up to you, whatever you like, whatever you prefer. Lots of nutrients in vegetables. So we'll go ahead and put those in the skillet. All right, so we have the final product. We have our omelet, the egg whites for the protein. We have mushrooms, peppers, and spinach for vegetables. We throw some cheddar cheese in there for dairy. You might be asking, what about grains and fruits? Here you go. Here's your side. Here's your strawberry, 1/2 cup of strawberries, and a slice of whole grain bread, which gives you some fiber. So there is how you make a complete breakfast. You can make this ahead of time, put it in some Tupperware, have it ready to go in the refrigerator. So all you have to do is pop it in the microwave. There you have it, a well-balanced, nutritious breakfast, quick and easy that you can put together ahead of time, throw in some containers and have in the refrigerator for when you need to have breakfast. If you are looking for more health and wellness tips, you can visit the UPMC My Health Matters blog. I hope you guys give it a try. Have a great day.